guys, I'm back again. And today we're gonna do something completely different. I just now realized that I'm not wearing earrings, nor necklace, nor a bracelet, nor a ring. What the hell? Okay, anyway, today we're gonna unbox a brand new freaking box, which is called the Goodiebox. And it looks, can you guys even see anything? And hopefully you guys can, but the light is kind of reflecting on this box. There we go. But a subscriber of mine actually told me about this box and I went out and bought it. Honestly, I have no idea what edition this box is. I'm hoping that it's the next one because online you can see what the inside of the box is, and I'm hoping it's the box after that. But look at how freaking beautiful this box is. It actually slides. It's very chic. This box cost me 19 euros and 95 cents each month. So it is very pricey. It's like 20 bucks. I'm expecting a lot from this box. Let's see what it says inside. It says Spring Fling. But it doesn't say what month. Is this like May or is it June? I don't know. Anyway, let's just open it. Oh, crap. No! Crap. Okay. I got the box that was already online, so I already knew the products in this particular box. I just didn't know I would get this particular box, so that kind of sucks. But this is basically the inside of this box. Okay, so let's just grab the biggest and heaviest thing in this box. It's a really odd shape. This is Zenz, Z-E-N-Z. It's a treatment pure number 3. I have no idea what this is. Treatment, Zenz organic hair. Okay, so it's a hair treatment. Is this like a mask? Blah, 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 blah. Through the hair. Wait 10-30 minutes and rinse thoroughly with water. Yeah, so basically this is a mask, and looking in the booklet, it's a full size and it costs, what the? This costs 41 euros. Like, are you serious? I'm always like, with these prices, but they claim that it costs 41 euros. I'm gonna expect a hell of a lot for 41 euros. This is what that fella looks like. Moving on to Forest Lust. Oh my goodness, isn't this the eyeshadow that we already received in, I want to say the StyleTone box, or was it the Deluxe box? I can't remember. I do know that somewhere, wow, I'm turning yellow again. Somewhere along the lines we received this eyeshadow, and this, yeah, it's the little, like, thing. I remember I'm not liking the eyeshadow, so I really hope that it's not the same color. Come on, open. Oh, thank God. It's not the same color, so I'm really happy about that. It's actually like a foresty green type of a color, and I'm pretty sure the camera is not going to pick up the color the way it should. I'm going to swatch it because I'm definitely going to use this. It feels, oh my goodness, it feels legit like butter. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. Again, the camera is not gonna pick. Wow, that feels so soft. Okay, that's amazing. I really do enjoy this. What brand is this though? Tease, like T-E-E-E-Z. It's from Tease, and it's a full size. It says it right here, and it costs 18 euros. It looks really, really cool. Hopefully you guys are able to see that swatch, but it's very metallic. I love it. Again, the camera's not gonna pick up the color just the way it should. But actually, you know I'm gonna use this color, so I'm really, really pleased with this. Okay, let's move along to, what's this? Percy Reed, and it says hair. Is this for hair? I believe in miracles. Perfectly perfecting wonder balm. But what is it though? This is, as they say, the creme de la creme. Oh really? A miracle leave-in balm, to be exact, which preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. It makes your regular styling products work wonders, giving you more control and better results that last longer. Perfect. Okay, directions. Apply to towel-dried hair, working from roots to ends to prep hair for styling. Can also be worked sparingly into dry. into dry styled hair to maximize definition. Okay. I can't remember really receiving such a product before, but it's still pretty cool. This is what that fella, come on camera focus, looks like. It looks pretty cool, and looking at the booklet, this is not a full size. It is 20 euros for 75 milliliters, and this is, how much is in here? 30 milliliters, so it's less than half of that. So this particular fella is going to be less than 10 bucks. But the original one, again, 75 milliliters, the size, and it costs 20 euros. Moving on to another tube. This is from Balance Me. This is the BB Natural Perfection SPF 25 cream. Wow, I'm reading things really, really bad. Okay, this is supposed to be a BB cream. Let's see what color this is, because there is a like an online profile that you fill in with this particular box, and you can fill in like your eye color, your hair color, your skin color, and I did fill in, I was light, so hopefully this will, yes, oh, thank God. Okay, this is definitely gonna match my skin, I can already tell. I'm not really sure if you guys are able to see that little thing down here. But I'm gonna rub it out. Oh yeah, definitely gonna match my skin. Not really sure if the camera's gonna pick anything up, but it's good. It might even be one tint darker than my own skin is, but it's okay. I don't know if I showed you guys this fella, but this is what that particular fella looks like. It says over here that this is not a full size as well. This is a travel size, and it is, the full size cost is 40 milliliters, and this is 10 milliliters. So this is 1/4 of the amount of product, and it costs 29 euros for 40 milliliters, and about 1/4 of that is like what, 7 bucks, around 7 bucks, this fella. Moving on to the very last item, box is empty, which is from Larizzi Cosmetics. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It says it's a lipstick. Okay, get out of here. Oh, like that. Okay, yeah, we had a Lord and Berry stick like, oh, wow. This stick actually perfectly matches my lipstick today. It's practically the same color. Oh, is this the smelling one or is it the BB cream? I think it's the BB cream. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Okay. So this is what that little fella looks like, and hopefully you guys are able to see. I see that red swatch like in the middle. That's kind of what it looks like. It says over here that it is a full size and it costs 16 euros. Okay guys, that's it for this particular box. I have to say it's a really cool box. I am extremely happy because all of these products I'm definitely gonna use. I will say though, this definitely reminds me of like the beauty box and like the StyleTone box and the old Belux box that I received monthly. Is this worth more money than those boxes? Because all of those boxes range from 12.50 to 15 euros, and this one is 20 bucks. I'm just going to be honest, I don't think so. I think they could have kept it at 15 euros easily, because I don't see this as a huge difference, dramatic difference in products than the beauty box was, or the old duty box. Do you guys remember that as well? And they were all 15 bucks. So I have the Look Fantastic box, which is 20 bucks as well. But they definitely have some great brands in there. I will say that. Sucks that it's sample size. But they do have brands like Glam Glow, which is something that all of these boxes don't. So I don't know. I have to see what the other boxes are going to look like. But for now, I will say 20 bucks is on the higher end of prices. If you want a beauty box, but you're not really sure which one, it kind of depends on whether you like makeup or whether you like cosmetics and makeup. Because StyleTone is definitely more makeup, and it's only $12.50. So it is the cheapest box out there, and it at least used to be the best quality box out there as well. Because everything inside is full size. So I pay $12.50 for at least 5 full-size items every single month, which is something that I find amazing, and that's, to me at least, their most unique selling point. They're their cheapest box ever and actually kind of get the best bang for your buck. Then there is the Belux box as well. And that box is 30 bucks, but every 2 months. And you get like always, at least for now, we always got around 10 items or more, and they were like big, you know, items. So I don't know. On that note, I just wanted to say one more thing. There will be no more beauty box, and I am really bummed out about that. And the reason is I noticed they didn't take money from my account for this month, and I was like, where the hell is my box? Because it's May right now, and we didn't get a box for April. And I figured, okay, you know, maybe they're sorting things out. They did that before. And I went on their website because it's May and I still haven't received a box to see what was going on. And it actually said that the beauty box is quitting. And I'm actually really, really upset because in my opinion, I know the beauty box had like a huge dip around, I think it was a year ago, was it 2 years ago? I'm not really sure, but I remember them having a dip, and I actually said that online as well, and I quit that box for a while, and I said also that I would go back to this particular box as soon as they get up on their feet again. And it seemed to me like they did, and honestly the beauty box, to me at least, seemed like they were going, you know, for a better and better and better and better box. So I was really surprised to read that they're quitting. So there's going to be no more beauty box. And honestly, that's kind of the reason why I bought the Goodiebox. It kind of replaces the beauty box because now I still have a subscription with 4 boxes. I'm just kind of bummed out that this box is 20 bucks. The Look Fantastic box is 20 bucks. The Deluxe box is 30 bucks every 2 months. And the StyleTone is $12.50. So that's a hell of a lot of money and I'm paying for these boxes. And I don't know. Honestly, coming back to this box, I really think they could do this for 15 bucks and not 20. I will, however, say I really do enjoy this particular box and I will stay with it for a couple of months to see what it's like. Okay guys, I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I've been yapping for way too long and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!